sarap na. Yan. So, ito na po guys, yung ating oxtail na stew. Yan. Sarap-sarap siya guys. Okay, keep on watching guys. And please subscribe to my channel at limebautista.youtube.com. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlogs. Bye-bye.